All you need to master this technique is Google and the timer app on your phone. So if you're curious, let's get started. Hey everyone, my name is Kartika Nair, and if you're looking to create the life of your dreams, you are in the right place. I am about to reveal to you an easy but powerful visualization technique that's going to change your life. Now, I understand that a lot of people struggle with visualization and also struggle to feel the emotions behind it, but don't worry, I'm going to teach you something that's going to change the way that you visualize. So jumping in, step 1, I want you to make a list of everything that you want to manifest in your life. So maybe that could be the house of your dreams, financial abundance, health abundance, relationship, amazing relationship. Maybe you want to have 100,000 YouTube subscribers. Whatever is your dreams, I want you to pause right now and make that list in the comment section. We're going to do minimum 3, maximum 5. So firstly, just make that list in the comment section and then I'll see you for step number 2. Thank you for doing that. Okay, step number 2, you're going to go on Google and you're going to download images that represent your goal. Okay, images that speak to your heart. For example, if it is the beautiful house you want to have, find images that represent that house. If it is the financial abundance, then you can even make or using Canva, or you can use Paint, you can make a picture of your bank balance. All of that, be creative, do what you need to, but find your images. If it is relationship, you can maybe take a old picture of you and your partner cuddling, or you can create a downloadable picture from Google where 2 people are cuddling. Doesn't matter, but find pictures that represent your goal. That is step number 2. Step 3, at this point I want you to make sure you've written down your desires in the comment, because from the last video I've been doing this thing where I want to bless everybody's desires, so I want to do that even today. It feels good, it feels expansive, so go ahead and write yours so I can bless it. Moving on to step 3, what you want to do is you want to take your timer app on your phone. Every phone by default has a timer. Open up your timer app, okay, and just keep it next to you. That is step 3. We'll come back to this, what we need to do with the timer, but first just keep your timer app open. Step 4, so you don't need to imagine anything. Now the image is in front of you. You downloaded it from Google, right? So you may have multiple, maybe you have 10 images. Pick out the first one. It's in front of you. Now what you need to do is put yourself inside of that image. So let's say the image is of a breakfast table overlooking the sea. I want you to imagine yourself sitting on that breakfast table and ask yourself, now that I am here with the sea around me, with the breeze coming on my face, me sitting in this beautiful sunshiny land, how do I feel? So maybe you feel grateful, blessed, abundant, joyful, having the time of your life. Maybe those are the emotions that come up. I want you to write down those emotions, okay? Because we're going to use this in about a few seconds. So put yourself inside. Ask yourself now, for whatever image you're looking at, put yourself inside of that image and ask yourself, now that I'm here in this experience, how do I feel? And then write down those feelings. Step 6, at this point you can see the image clearly. You also know the emotions that accompany this image. So what you're going to do is you're going to switch on your timer. And you're going to close your eyes, and for 17 seconds you're going to walk yourself inside of that experience. So let's say you're sitting on the breakfast table. Taste the food that you're having, feel the breeze, get excited about the sunlight on your face. Look at the beautiful, there might be boats in the distance, you might be seeing this beautiful mountain in the back, and get into the imagery very in detail and get into the emotions behind it. Get really excited about that, and then open your eyes and see if 17 seconds is over. If 17 seconds are over and you can continue, keep continuing, okay? You don't need to stop until you're ready to stop. But if you look and you see 17 seconds are not over, close your eyes and continue until you are holding that vibration for 17 seconds. This is how you're actually shifting your energy, and it's obviously reflecting at the molecular level, at the quantum level, but you're holding an emotion for 17 seconds. You can continue for as long as you want, but it has to be a minimum of 17 seconds. So to make this technique work, firstly you have 3 rules. 1, the emotions are the most important part of this. So even if you're not able to see details of the image, as long as you can feel high, you're creating, okay? So that is rule number 2. Rule number 3 is you can do this anytime during the day or during the night or midnight, 3 o'clock, it doesn't matter. You can do this and you can do it as many times as you want, as long as it doesn't feel forced. Whenever you do anything law of attraction related, it should feel like you're having fun with the process, like you're a child creating. It shouldn't come from desperation or force, because desperation and force does not create, it pushes everything away. If you want to invite things, you have to be fun and inviting. Okay, so if you understood that point, comment below saying I am fun and I am inviting. Comment below, I am fun and I am inviting. I am fun and I am inviting. It's an open energy that will allow things to come into your life. Now, when it comes to abundance, there are 3 major secrets. Okay, the first one is you want to ask. We already did that. Okay, we visualized, we asked. Okay, asked. The asking part is what we already did. The second one is you want to take action on any inspiration that is coming your way. So somehow somebody comes up with a course that you need to study, or somebody comes and tells you, hey, learn this thing, or somebody offers you a business opportunity, or some idea comes, or suddenly you have a dream about something. Take action on those things, because that's the way of the universe moving through you and getting you to a point where you can receive what you want. Okay, so action is a part of manifestation. So anybody who is a serious student of abundance must also take that inspired action part of it. Talking about students of abundance, I want to plug something in here. I spoke about this in last video as well. 7th of June, 4 abundance teachers, me, MV Priyank, Naveen Sharma and Arun Kumar J. We are all abundance teachers. We teach abundance in our own beautiful way. Naveen talks about holistic health. Arun talks about the quantum physics of manifestation, which is beautiful. I've gone through his presentation. I learned so much. MV Priyank talks about alignment at all levels, including aura, chakra, all of those beautiful things. And I talk about how mindfulness allows you to manifest your desires. So we're bringing in all of our expertise for a 4-hour class. It's going to happen on 7th of June. There will be breaks in between every speaker. But what we're doing is, because of you guys are our community, we are all 4 of us are leading experts in our field. So this is a paid event. But what we are doing for our own community and not for the general public is that the actual tuition of this 4-hour training is 5,000 rupees. That's about $69. What we are doing is we're giving you guys, just our community members, a complete discount and bringing you in only at 199 rupees. My earrings cost twice that, 199 rupees for the entire 4-hour training. Replays are available, all of that. That's about $5. So instead of paying $69, you're paying $5. It's a one-time event. We don't know when we're going to do this again. Collectively, we have 13 lakh followers under us. We have 50 plus years of expertise under our belt. So you want to bring in beautiful, unique angles to abundance that you will definitely benefit from. So if you're interested in that class, there is a link in the description of this video as well as in the comment section. I'll put it somewhere. I look forward to seeing you there. Please go ahead and tell me if this visualization technique is something that inspired you, if you're planning to use it. Please let me know if you like videos where I teach you techniques. Humanity is focused on the lack. Humanity is focused on fighting, separation, division. We want to help everyone realize that we create our own realities. We want to empower everybody. We want it's not law of attraction, not just for us selfish reasons. It is to also give back to other people so we can create the kind of world we came here to create. Everyone who's here is not here by default, not by accident. You had the good karma of learning this information. So many people don't have that information. You have it. Share it. Not just for me. Share anybody's videos on abundance, because it will help planet Earth. Okay? I love you guys. I look forward to seeing you on 7th. Make sure to like this video if you liked it. See you soon for another video. Namaste.